Hello there and welcome back to the web programming video series. In this video we are going to discuss about the add new product page. So in the add new product page we have the header. So we have included the header page and we have included the footer page as well. And in the between we have added our extra HTML files. And now you can add the product. So you can select the product category and the product brand. So it will when you click on the product category you should be able to select any category from what has been added. You can also select a product brand as well. So these are all by using Bootstrap and drop down menus, and then we can select the product model. So we can select the drop down and select the model which has been added to the database. Now the main aspect of adding a new product is we have to give it a name. So we can add the title by typing the title name, and next we have the product condition. So we can select whether it's a brand new or a used product. And let's go to the next part. We have to select the product color. So there are a various bunch of product colors which we can choose from, and then you can add a new color if it is not available in the list. Now let's see about adding product quantity. So you have around 50 iPhones or 50 iPads. Well, there's a place to save your product quantity. You can add 50, 100, 100,000 or how much ever quantity you have received. Next is the cost per item. So you have to mention this if you want to sell your product. So we'll say that the iPhone 15 is coming to around 5 or 3 lakhs. You can type in the amount here, and then we can add the delivery cost as well. So the delivery cost is divided into two parts: delivery for the Colombo area and delivery for other areas. So mostly delivery within Colombo is going to be a lot cheaper, and delivery within other areas are going to be much costly. Next is the product description. Before the user buys anything from the seller, the user will definitely look at the description on what the product is, or what is the storage, what's the RAM. And a main key aspect is to add product images so that the user can identify what kind of product he is buying. So the user can see the number of cameras of the phone, how many buttons, or what kind of a charger it uses, and etc. by looking at the image. And the next we have given a notice that an amount will be discounted from the price and will be given as commission to the company, which is eShop. And then once he's ready to accept that, then he can add the product. So once the product is added, a small amount of the commission will be sent to the eShop owners. Now let's have a look at our code. So this is the add product code design. So we are using style sheets to get Bootstrap, then style.css, and then we are using icons. So we already discussed about that earlier. And then now we are heading to the add new product. So most of these code are written in Bootstrap, and some are custom CSS which are linked to an external CSS file. Let's scroll down, and you can see that we have used a lot of Bootstrap classes to make it more responsive. So the website is viewable on smaller screens, medium screens, extra large screens, and large screens. So select product category. So let's look at the code of that, and we can see that there are three options: mobile phones, laptops, and cameras. And then the brand. So let's have a look at this code. So this is the code. It's so simple and straightforward so that anybody can understand it. Now let's have a look at the product model. So selecting the product model is also pretty easy and straightforward, and the codes are similar to each other. Next, let's hop into adding a title to our product. So it's just an input field where we take it through JavaScript while adding it to our process.php. And next we have given the delivery cost out of Colombo and within Colombo, and the product conditions. Yes, so we have added the product color as well, and the product colors are limited here. So if we want to add more colors, we can request an admin. So far we are just showing you the design. Later on we'll be showing you how we can process, how we are using the process.php to give the functionality. So this button is used to add a new color. Request will be sent to the admin, and later on we can add the product quantity. So that is also a main aspect. Let's go some more down. So I have given the input as a number, since the quantity is going to be a number, and then we are going to add the cost per item. So you can see this is the div, and then it's always in rupees, and we are going to use the input type here. Now let's look at the approved payment methods, which we have already used on the images there. And then the delivery cost. The delivery cost is divided into two divs, which I discussed earlier. Delivery cost within Colombo, and you can see the image here, and the delivery cost out of Colombo, which you can see in a few moments. And now once I scroll down a little more down, you can see the product description, where I have used a text area. So I have given 10 columns and a few amount of rows, and then the main part, the product images. So you should have a product image place. So this is how I have designed the product image, adding prompt. And I have given the width per image as 250 pixels. And we have given a label or an input to upload the image, the product. Now let's have, so the notice, I have used a label and I have put it inside a div where it will be displayed beautifully at the end of the page. I also have changed some inline CSS, like the font size to 20 pixels, and finally we have the same product button, which is the main aspect. Also I have included the photo.php, and I have also included the Bootstrap bundle.js and the script.js, so that we can have more functionality in our web app. So we also have approved payment methods, which are images. So you can see this. So I have included everything in the style.css, so that you don't have the image in the index or in the HTML file. You would have it as PM1, 2, 3 and 4. So PM mainly refers to the payment method. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next one.